What are the factors students must consider before selecting any private university here in Germany?
Accreditation is a minimum requirement for FOM.
What are the basic requirements for the students coming from India?
They have to have, for a bachelor degree, a test yes, or they have to pass the FOM's entrance examination.
The rule is, if you have a German recognized degree, you will get the blue card leading to the job. If you have the job, you will get the blue card. So people are closing their eyes and just selecting Germany, and they are coming to the universities which are not accredited by German government. Like they are here, but they are international universities. You will get the international degree, not a German degree. Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal A Vision. Today I am here in FOM Hochschule, which is Germany's one of the best private university here in Germany, one of the biggest university with 30 campuses here in Germany. So today I am here with Dr. Christian, who designed the program for students looking to study international programs over here. So Dr. Christian, thanks for giving us the opportunity for this podcast.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So today we will discuss about why students should prefer FOM University over other universities here in Germany. I must clear one thing. So in 2022, 2023, 2024 and in 2021, many students came to Germany in non-accredited German universities. Now students are realizing that they had done a mistake because the path towards blue card is coming to an end. Why? Because those non-accredited German universities were providing non-German degrees. So if you have a non-German degree, you are not entitled to get a blue card even if you have secured a job here in Germany. This is very important. That's why we flew all the way from India to Germany to meet our partner FOM Hochschule here in Germany. So I just want to ask one question. What are the factors students must consider before selecting any private university here in Germany?
Amratpal, to be honest, accreditation is a minimum requirement for FOM. And you as our trusted partner do know that this is a minimum requirement. Because if you want to pursue the blue card and come to the German job market, you do need an accredited degree. Now, that's a must. But for us at FOM, that's a minimum condition. On top of that, you must get an education that really caters to the needs of the job market, and that will pave the way for you into the job market. And that means careful selection of study content, careful selection of lecturers from the industry and full-time professors so that you can succeed finally then in your career here in Germany.
As you know that I visited several universities during my career. In 2022, I visited 100 universities of the world. In 2023, 2024, 2025, again we are doing the campus tours. Why? Because we want to give you the surety that wherever you are going in the world, you are going to the best places. And the best important thing what I came to know today is, by coming to FOM, that FOM is not only an international student oriented university, but it was founded in 1991 just for the German students. So they have more than 100,000 graduate students who are German nationals or who came from different part of the world. So it's not a newly set up university. It's operating for more than 25 years now. So from last 6 years, they have opened their courses to international students so that they can get the benefit of FOM courses. So Mr. Christian, I want to ask you one thing about students especially coming from India. What are the basic requirements for the students coming from India?
Well, the basic requirements to come to Germany is like they have to have, for a bachelor degree, a test yes, or they have to pass the FOM's entrance examination. Then they come on an APS group visa. They have to do a prep course here. Then they can be enrolled directly here in Germany and be registered with the city office. On the master level, they have to have a bachelor degree, of course. And depending on whether they do an MBA or not, they need job experience, but that is only for the MBA.
Okay, so let's say an example, if you want to come to bachelor studies here in FOM, you have two options. One option, the best option is you give your test AS, directly come for bachelor studies. The other option is if you don't have test AS and you want to come to Germany without test AS, you have to give FOM's entrance exam. If you give FOM's entrance exam, there's other requirement, we will consult you and you can call us, you can call Amratpal A Vision, you can directly send email to FOM, they will help you how to do that. But according to me, the best path is test AS. What's your take on that?
My take on that is really, of course, it's good if you have test AS, it's very easy, you can join us. But really the entrance examination is an alternative to choose from, and you can directly take it. And if you don't feel confident enough, there's even a prep course in Germany that you could join for 8 weeks. And that is also a way into the entrance examination as well.
Okay, so now we will talk about masters. What are the basic requirements for masters?
Well, the basic requirement for masters, of course, is a bachelor degree from an accredited university that is being checked here in our administration, in our offices.
And what about English language?
English language is IELTS test, of course, and you need the equivalent IELTS score. There is no German language required, that is not needed, but of course, if you want to be successful in the long run in Germany, you should start studying Germany when coming here, and a lot of the programs also have a module German incorporated in the study program.
Yes, I will always recommend you to always do your German language at least A1, A2, B1 before coming to Germany. Whenever you come to Germany, ask your university or tutor about the German language courses if they have any. If they have, please enroll for the German language classes, because once you have German language, I am sure I can give you guarantee that you can get success here in Germany without any hassles. What's your take on German language?
My take on German language, it's a continuous learning process. That's absolutely important, because Indian students normally do speak English, but they were not born speaking English from day one, but it's something they have learned over time, and it took a bit of time. So learning German as well takes time. So I would encourage you when coming here to make use of the buddy program that we have, to get connected to German people, to take part in our language cafe that we offer as additional service here on campus, and to really continuously study German, watch a lot of television, dare to go to the movies and watch a German movie, use the subtitles you get in all the media stores that we have here at hand, and do a lot of activities together with other students.
Right. So if you are looking to come to Germany, Germany is one of the best private universities, biggest private university, you should consider FOM. And if you would like to apply for FOM, you can always contact Amratpal A Vision. We will help you that how to get into it. And the most important thing for any student coming to Germany is thousands and thousands of students are now coming to Germany, because what happened? Canada is already gone now. UK, US, there are many problems right now. So people are closing their eyes and just selecting Germany, and they are coming to the universities which are not accredited by German government. Like they are here, but they are international universities. You will get the international degree, not a German degree. So the rule is, again I am saying, the rule is if you have a German recognized degree, you will get the blue card leading to the job. If you have the job, you will get the blue card. Otherwise, if you study from non-accredited German university, you will get a non-German degree. Even if you have a job, you will not get the blue card. This is very important. This is why I specially came to FOM to let you know, guys, because what happened yesterday, I met one of my subscriber. He was in Frankfurt. He saw me that, oh, Amratpal A Vision, I am your subscriber. So I just asked him, in which university you came? He told one university name, which is a non-German degree. And when I told him, look, it's a non-German degree, you will not get the blue card, he came to know at Frankfurt airport that I made a mistake.
And that's too late.
That's too late now. So it is very important, guys. Please make a wise decision before selecting the universities. Always select the universities on the two factors what we have discussed. And we are happy to have you on board in Amratpal A Vision and in FOM. See you soon. Have a good bye.
Thanks for listening.
Today I am here in ISM, International School of Management.
I would like to show you some of our facilities around at our campus. ISM is one of the top business schools in Germany.
Definitely come here with a mindset that you will have to work hard. You will definitely succeed. Be positive and keep your mind healthy.